Hello friends, welcome to Aki's Kitchen. Today we are going to see the most requested recipe. Usually salads are very boring, but this one is completely different and taste is absolutely delicious. This salad is tried and tested by our friends and neighbors. They all loved it. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed and press the notification bell icon for instant notifications. Please like, comment and share my videos with your friends and family. Now let's see how to make this quick, delicious and healthy salad. Take a large bowl and add chopped carrots, chopped strawberries, chopped zucchini. You can also add cucumber, chopped apples. You can use any variety of apple. Chopped oranges. Chopped tomatoes. Chopped capsicum or bell pepper. Chopped iceberg lettuce. Chopped avocado. You can also mash the avocado and add it. Croutons, olives, jalapeños, now for the salad dressing, add vinaigrette, mayonnaise, ranch dressing, honey mustard, you can use any dressing of your choice. Now add shredded cheese. This is totally optional. Add freshly crushed black pepper. Salt to taste. You can simply add black pepper powder, salt and lemon juice instead of dressing, or even chaat masala for Indian touch. Now mix it well until everything is nicely combined. Our beautiful, healthy and quick salad is ready. The sweetness from the fruits, the crunchiness from the croutons and the flavors from the dressing, it all combines together and gives a very nice taste and flavor to the salad. Even kids love it. Please do try this and let me know how it turned out for you. Thanks for watching.